In children, the level of calcium determines their future health. The building and consolidation of the skeleton takes place during childhood and adolescence. Insufficient calcium intake would undermine the buildup of optimal bone density. The hazards later on? The risk of osteoporosis from the age of 30, a decrease and weakening of bone mass, an increase in fractures, and several health problems. But long before this happens, calcium deficiency will deprive children of a fulfilling life. Indeed, it is the cause of a significant number of ailments in infants and children, including rickets, skeletal dysplasia, night crying and night sweats, late walking, late teething with scattered and irregular teeth, sparse hair, delayed mental and speech development, a weak immune system and frequent infections, lack of appetite, irritability. Older children with rickets may also have bowed legs, a deformity of the skull or spine, pigeon chest characterized by a protrusion of the sternum and ribs. The recommended dietary intake of calcium ranges from 500 to 1200 milligrams per day for 1 through 12 years old. The bad news is that our modern diet is far from meeting this need. Fully aware of this, Tiens Group have designed an organic calcium especially for children. It is made from ox bones through cutting-edge bioengineering. It is called the Tiens Super Calcium Powder for children. It is enriched with nutrients, including taurine, iron, zinc, amino acids, and egg yolk powder, all of which can effectively enhance brain function and activity, promote growth and development in children, and improve calcium bioavailability in children. The Tiens Super Calcium Powder for children helps your children develop normally and grow to a good height, have strong bones and better resist fractures, have well-formed teeth and prevent decays, actively participates in maintaining a good memory, helps them sleep well, and may even prevent depression. Thanks to calcium, your children store less fat and maintain a good weight. Never neglect your children's calcium intake. Given the critical importance of calcium in a child's life, you can't afford to do without it. With Tiens Super Calcium Powder for children, take care of your children every day and secure from now their good health into adulthood. The dosage is 1 bag, twice a day, and a glass of lukewarm water.